Good morning, students. Welcome to BTech third semester modeling lab, course code U18ME309. I am Rakesh, assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kids Warangal. In this video lecture, we will discussing about course introduction, that is introduction about modeling lab. In this modeling lab, we will learn and practice on one mechanical related software. In the market, number of mechanical softwares are available like SolidWorks, Creo, CATIA, Unigraphics or Siemens NX, Autodesk Inventor and AUTOCAD. Among these all softwares in our modeling lab, we will learn one modeling software, that is CATIA. CATIA stands for, the abbreviation of CATIA is Computer Aided Three-Dimensional Interactive Application. It is a designing and multi-platform software suit for computer aided design, computer aided engineering and computer aided manufacturing. This this CATIA software developed by French company Dassault System. Let us see the course learning objective of this course. This course will develop student knowledge in and on four learning objectives. Let us see the first learning objective is skills required to use software for modeling of machine components. Second learning objective is part modeling environment, tools and basic techniques for part creation. Third learning objective is assembly modeling. Fourth learning objective is principle and operation of 3D printing. Let us see the list of experiments in modeling lab. Let us see the first experiment, that is introduction to 2D sketches, basics tools, constraint and dimensions. In this first experiment, we will learn about introduction about CATIA. In this specially we will learn and practice on CATIA software. That's why we will learn about introduction about CATIA software and history of CATIA software, advantages of CATIA software, applications, what are the companies are using CATIA as a tool, what is the extension file of CATIA software, how to save this CATIA file in the PC, system requirements for installing this CATIA software in our PC, what are the modules are available in CATIA software. In the CATIA software, number of modules are available like sketch module, part module, assembly module, like number of modules are available in CATIA software. Next uh, shortcut keys for CATIA software. By using shortcut keys, we will handle the CATIA software in our PC very smoothly. Next, what are the tools are available in menu bar? What is the importance of specification tree? How to modify the sketch after how to modify the part designs or assembly drawings after completion of the sketch. Next, view toolbar, what are the options are available in view toolbar, how to give the dimensions for the sketch, that means how to apply the constraints for given sketch. Next, basic tools. Basic tools means profile tools. Profile tool means what are the basic geometric shapes like rectangle, circle, spline, line, arc, point, etc. By using next we will also learn operation tools like how to apply the corner, how to apply the chamfer. Next we will learn relimitation tools like trim tool, break tool, quick trim, close arc, complement tools. We will also learn transformation tools like mirror, symmetry, translate, rotate, scale, offset tools. By using all those tools, we will we will draw the remaining exercises like sketching of simple geometric shapes. That means special S French sketch, rocket ball sketch, gasket sketch, adjustable sector sketch. By using the basic tools, we will draw the following four sketches: special S French, rocket ball, cork gasket, adjustable sector. The second module is problems on part modeling. In this part, we will learn sketch-based features like uh, pad, pocket, shaft, groove, rib, hole, dress-up features. By using all those tools, we will draw the part modeling like gears, piston, blade impeller, etc. The third module is problems on assembly modeling. By using assembly constant, we will assemble the universal coupling knuckle joint. The last module is 3D printing of a spur gear. In the second module, we will develop one model that is gear. After completion of that modeling, how to import into 3D printing and how to develop the product in 3D printer. These are the list of experiments in modeling lab. Uh, the evaluation is internal marks are 40 marks, the external marks are 60 marks. Uh, we have one laboratory manual is there, that is modeling laboratory manual and record book. It is this manual and record book prepared by Department of Mechanical Engineering Kids Warangal. Uh, the following are reference books for learning, practicing more sketches in CATIA software, AutoCAD software. First one is Professor Sham Tikku, AutoCAD 2070 for Engineers and Designers, 23rd edition. The second book is Professor Sham Tikku, Pro Engineer, that means PTC Cryoparametric 3.0 for engineers and designers. The third one is Professor Sham Tikku, CATIA V5 6R 2017 for designers, 15th edition. BPB Publishers 2017. These are the three reference books. That is, first one is the uh, laboratory manual, that is prepared by Department of Mechanical Engineering Faculty, Kids Warangal. This is the brief introduction about modeling lab syllabus. We will discuss each and everything in coming classes. Uh, all the best for your future coming classes. Thank you.